What's going on, traders? It has been a while since I made a video. I hope everybody had a fantastic Thanksgiving, and yeah, hope everybody had a green day today. The momentum's definitely shifted. I'm not gonna lie, to the long side. Um, I've got burned twice now. I've had back-to-back red days. Um, the one I posted $600 loss, and then I had a back, and then the next day I lost actually another $600 trade. Um, and then on Friday, or let's see, yeah, on Friday I only lost $25. I was just trying out some theories, but yeah, if you're definitely a long bias trader or you are a swing trader, this is definitely your opportunity. But you're probably wondering, why do I have ASLN pulled up in ccxi? Well, let me show you. Let me get into this. Okay. The reason why I took a short today on ASLN, and trust me, it was like one of those, like, man, do I short it? But as soon as I seen the pattern, I knew instantly what was going to happen. And I'll break this down for you. So, back when ccxi ran, everybody knows this stock, and when it went from like $7 to $38. Well, look at this pre-market. This is what I'm getting at. This is almost identical to this over here. So I seen this, I'm thinking, all right, I'm gonna wait for the bell, because stocks are running for days and they just keep going higher and higher and higher. So as a short seller, I'm not gonna short it anymore. But when I seen this pattern right here, this is what caught my attention. So I remember on ccxi doing the same exact thing. Right away, it popped up, and then it came back to support, and then right here, it had this huge burst of momentum. And then right after that, it just slammed right back down. Well, if you look at ASLN, this did the identical thing. So I seen it come up and then it get slammed back down. And right when I seen this, the first thing that popped in my head was like, this is ccxi all over again. So I'm thinking, okay, I can short this. But I have to be super careful because, like I say, these stocks are running. So it doesn't even matter. Like my strategy, first red day, we don't even see that anymore. So like, I'm really cautious on what I'm trading now, because stocks are just, they're going to the freaking moon. So anyhow, so when I seen this come back down, to the 633, it went from 820 to 633, and then this over here went from 36 all the way down to 33. And once I seen that, I was like, oh, okay, I kind of know where this is going. I've seen this before. So let me pull up my chart from Trade Zero. I'll show you where I shorted it. So you can see I got short right here. Looks like I think it was 678, 680 is where I got short. And I covered really quick at 640. And my style, like, it took me, I'll show my P&L and everything, but I just wanted to show you where I shorted and where covered. Um, like, you guys all know my style. I don't like to scalp trade, but man, I have been getting burned because stocks are not closing weak. Stocks are they have a huge pullback, and then they're just taking off to the moon again. So in the back of my mind, I'm thinking about this trade. Because once I seen it, I was thinking, okay, this should do the same thing. But I've been burned so many times now, I'm thinking, man, if this thing squeezes right here, and we get past this $7 area, this is gonna break high of day. So that was on the back of my mind. Like, with these stocks running these days, you can't tell, you know, like, it's definitely not a short. You probably shouldn't be shorting, is what I'm getting at, unless you're really, really confident with your position, because, like I say, they're running for days. So anyhow, I shorted right here, and then, like I say, I ended up covering in the 640s. So 40 cents, not bad. But my style of trading is I hold this. You know what I mean? You guys you've seen it on a million videos where I hold them. I don't try to scalp it, but I've not taken my profits lately. I've been getting burned. And then here we go. Same exact pattern now. Now look how identical these things are. So you have a huge sell-off, and then it pushes back up. You have a huge sell-off, and then it pushes back up. So I wish I could have traded this one obviously a lot different. But one thing that I did like about this trade is when I noticed this right here. When I noticed this right there. And then it's the same thing as... sorry about that. I'm the wrong thing here. I'm just going to highlight these two, so you guys can see what I'm seeing. So this is what I base my trade off. Right there to right here. So I just, I wish I could have held it longer. But with this market that I've seen, I've been getting 20, 30 cents on a stock. Then all of a sudden it just rips to the upside, and here comes the momentum, and now I'm getting squeezed. It's like you got to adjust to the market. And right now, shorting stocks is, it's you got to be really careful. So, today was a winner. Nothing crazy. I didn't take big size. I've been taking my size back down because it's definitely not for shorts right now. So I'm trying to be patient, and I'm only trying to trade like the best setups. So when I seen this setup, I knew this was a good setup because this is identical to ccxi. So let me get my P&L up here. I'll show you that, but yeah, I thought this trade was a good trade. I was definitely right on the why I shorted it, but I hope tomorrow it has a gap down, and I hope the momentum starts shifting. But you got to trade the market you in, not the market that you want. So I've been backing down my share size because I don't really like long in stocks. As you guys all know, I'm a short bias trader, but hope you guys find value in this content. I took a mini vacation from trading. After taking a couple big hits, I just tried to regroup myself. Try to get back in the swing of things. So let's show the P&L. So on this one, I only took 250 shares. I actually had 500 shares. And I was going to add to my position. So you can see I only traded one time. I was actually going to add to my position. But like I say, it's just really leery with these low floats right now because you don't know what they're going to do. So hope you guys enjoyed this content. I'll be back on the regular schedule, making daily videos. Make sure you like the video, smash the subscribe button. Really helps the channel grow. And until next time, traders, peace.